Just having a quick look through this clear mountain. It's a C4 rated structure. It's built in Fiji on an island. Pretty amazing house, really simple design but nicely laid out. You can see the amount of extra steel that's required to be able to meet the cyclonic rating. It's pretty intense but obviously very necessary. It's got a lot of extra bracing and tie downs, but very, very strong. This is the master wing. Walk through robe into the ensuite. It's a little office just in here. It's the main living area. Rake ceiling. And the balcony looks out over towards Cloud 9. Amazing location.
Some of them are okay. So you take this window here.
If you don't do it, another option is you could put up here some timber.
That's the front entry.
I had some F7 pine run up.
And the second and third bedrooms and a bathroom in between.